Good morning, folks. So today we're at the Lake Ramsay Preserve over near Covington, Louisiana. Gonna take a little walk around through this little nature trail here. And it's a beautiful morning. It's about 64 degrees, I think. September 27th. And got up early and got over here. It's 7:15. Pretty quiet. Got a few crows in the background, but other than that, it's peaceful. It's nice. Perfect time to be here. All right, so let's go check this little trail out. So I've been out here before. It's been about a year, and I've been wanting to come back. Just hadn't got back over here. It's kind of nice though, because it does have some open area. Most of our trails around here don't have a lot of open views like that. It's pretty much all wooded. So this is kind of a nice change. This ground is really hard to walk on. It's like this is a new trail maybe. I don't remember coming through here the last time. But the ground is just really chewed up, for lack of a better word. It's just real rough. I'm not sure why that is. There seems like there's several new trails here. We wasn't here the last time. And I feel like I'm missing a lot because I'm continually watching where I'm trying to walk at so I don't step on something I don't want to step on, if you know what I mean. So I keep having to just stop every once in a while and look around and make sure I'm not missing something that I want to see. It's quiet. It's nice. Some pretty pine trees out here. Well, I had to stop video and take pictures. The light was just beautiful. And never been over in this little area. Hopefully got some good shots. trying out my old but new to me Olympus EM10 Mark II. Just got recently, and hopefully going to use it on the upcoming vacation I've got, and I wanted to try it out this morning. I got a little 14 to 150 zoom lens. Man, it's just so compact. I think it's going to be fun to use. So far, it's been a thrill. I don't know, something about getting a new camera, even if it's old technology. It's just kind of fun learning it. So I've just been walking around in this big open area. And I mean, look over there at that. Isn't that cool looking? Isn't that beautiful? Hey, look at these flowers. They're just everywhere out here in this area. Got into the woods. Little bridge here. Been pretty dry lately, so there's no water around here. But that's okay. Like this little trail is going to bring me back around into the sun again. All right, so we coming back up to the beginning of the trail, back to the parking lot. It's not much of a parking lot. There's room for about 6 cars maybe. But anyway, it was a beautiful morning, and I enjoyed the little walk. Had fun playing with my camera, taking a few pictures. And I enjoyed the quietness of it all this morning. It was nice to get back out. Hadn't been out in a secluded area like this in a while, and it was fun. Hope y'all got something out of it. Y'all be good. Take care. See you on the next one.